This 2024 Winnebago Solis 59P-NP is a Class B RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Winnebago is 19 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, water heater, Colorado Detector, Skylight, auxiliary battery, LP detector, smoke detector, air conditioning, external shower, stove top burner, spare tire kit, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front dinette, front entertainment, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2024 Winnebago Solis 59P-NP is built on a ProMaster chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.